everyone, welcome to day 11 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and I thank you for joining me for this unboxing. So each day I will be opening a gift from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box, and this is through the Missouri Star Quilt Company. I purchased the box. It's not free. I didn't get a promotional or anything like that. All of my opinions are my own, so I just wanted to put that out there first. Secondly, I wanted to show you a few updates. One thing is this awesome pillow. Look how big it is. It turned out so good. I love it. So this is the charm pack that we got, I think on like day 2 and the pattern was on day 3 or something like that. And I love it. It is the cutest pillow. It's so soft. It is so easy. It took me about 90 minutes to make, all in. That's even hand sewing up the back, everything. And I love it. So I know Jenny has on her website a similar pattern, and I'll link that below in the description because this is really cute. The other thing I wanted to update you on was this cutout. Yes, it is it's used to make the tassels, and I did make the tassels. Hang on, I'll be right back with the tassels. Right here. Unfortunately, they are a bit disheveled because my puppy got a hold of them. But I did make them. They were a lot of fun. I thought about making them in Christmas colors. I think they'd be really cute. And then, of course, Jenny, and I gave her a little hat. I cut out a little hat for her, if I can get it on there. So she's ready for Christmas. And I've had more fun with this than you would believe. My mother happens to be going through cancer treatments right now. So my dad and I take turns taking her to those treatments. And I told my mom today that this is her cheerleader right here, raising up her hands, cheering her on through those treatments. If you are the praying type, please keep my mom in your prayers. Her name's Kathy, and I would really appreciate that. Anyway, let's move on to day 11 today, which is the thing that rattled. Okay, some people thought it might be pins. I think it could be. All right, let's open it up and see. Okay, oh, cool. All right. Oh, simple strap key fob. Now, I've made these before. These are a lot of fun. I like that it's two-tone, so that's the pattern. And then the hardware for them, and I have a whole bunch of these. I was making these once for favors, actually for my mother's birthday party for her 70th. I was making these, and I have a bazillion of these. But this is great. If you don't have these are really fun to make. I should do a tutorial on them because they are so fun and they're so easy. And I like that it's two-toned, if you see on the back. There it is. So I like that. I'll definitely make that. That's a lot of fun. And I don't think there's anything else in there. Let me double check. So that's a good gift. That's a good item that somebody maybe has never worked with hardware. It'd be great practice for that. And it is a fun, easy project for a beginner. So I absolutely love that. I'm not sure of the value of this. And oh, by the way, with the values, I go online and just do a search for the items and do the best I can with it. As for patterns, I think her patterns are normally $10 and they're on sale for $5. So I've been putting them at 10. And maybe I just need to start adding a buffer to this, saying, more or less around this price, because honestly, I don't know what to put them at. I'm just using the best information I have. I know some people think that I overpriced the snow globe, which I probably did. So in the description, I'll lower that to $15, and I will also lower the tumbler because somebody found it cheaper or something similar cheaper. So I'll lower the prices of those, and I'll also reflect that in the overall cost. But just know that I'm doing the best I can. I'm struggling with being as accurate as possible. Okay, so let's see what is the day 12. Let's see. Oh, this is weird. Okay, this is round. It doesn't make any noise. I'm learning to shake it. The bottom thing, there's two like roundish things in here, and the bottom thing's squishy, and this is a hard round thing. So I don't know what this is. It almost feels like an oversized film canister. That's all I can describe it as. So I'm not sure what it is, but I can't wait to check it out. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I just so appreciate it. I recently reached 3,000 subscribers, and I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And again, please keep my mom in your prayers, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Bye.